YouTube family. Well, today I want to talk about a few things. I hope this video doesn't go all over the place because normally I write out my videos and I kind of structure them. But today I just really wanted to go off the cuff and kind of like, I feel like a lot of times, YouTubers, well, the educational ones, they just kind of like talk off the riff, but they really never tell you like the inside. So I really wanted, this video is really personal, to kind of like tell you like, the struggle is real, y'all. Like, the struggle is real. I do get on here a lot of times and I do love what I do, but sometimes it could be so overwhelming. Like, this is a night before an auction and I'm like all over the place. And I just wanted to not only encourage you, but I'm trying to encourage myself as I'm shooting it, because when you have a dream or a vision or a goal, sometimes it could be so overwhelming, you guys. And so I guess I'm on here to say that if you are looking for a way out, or if you're on a job and you're overwhelmed and you're just trying to look for a way out, I'm going to tell you to keep on pressing, because quite frankly, I've been under so much pressure of just trying to handle everything on my own. From my number one passion, you guys, I love investing. Like, if I could do that all day long, I probably would just do that. But I just feel like God had charged it on my heart to teach other people what I learned, because like some of you guys know, I've been investing for like 18 to 20 years. And when I came across tax deeds, I was like, dang, it's kind of like, buying Netflix before Netflix became a thing, right? That's how I felt about tax deeds. And even though tax deeds was always in my education, it was not the number one thing talked about, right? So I'm saying this all to say that I want to get ahead of the curve, because I'm now noticing and seeing that a lot of people are popping up and talking about it. But, I'm not going to talk about other people because I don't like to do that. But I kind of be like, are you just talking about it, or are you really doing it? Because it's a little bit different when you're doing it on the other side. But the goal I want you to get from this video is, if you're looking for a way out, if you're looking for that financial freedom, if you're looking for an exit out of your job, if you're looking for more time, all I can say is, you know what, you got to keep on pressing and take every step, take it towards something. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I like literally, I don't want to say took a month off, but I hadn't been doing a lot of stuff because I've been overwhelmed with so much stuff. And the crazy thing about it is I'm still processing overage claims for students from last year, okay? Honestly, on a sidebar, that's really my problem right now. So for all of you that have asked for like masterminds, I realized I gave so much content, and then I didn't realize that I was going to be the one that actually had to process them all. So it's been a little bit overwhelming. And, it's hard to have a virtual assistant because sometimes, they don't know what to say to the counties. And if they don't understand it, then you're the one that's having to make the calls. So it's been a really long journey for me. And what I really wanted to say on this video is, for those that are looking for a way out and they're looking to invest to find financial freedom, is to be encouraged, to stay strong. I'm speaking for myself too, because I'm actually doing something that's so out of my comfort zone, you guys. When I tell you, I'm doing a lot. Actually, I'm doing too much. And I'm like, God, I know you said you don't put too much on you that you can't bear. But right now, I'm just like, oh, Lord, I need a vacation. And as y'all know, I love to vacation. I think I'm going to go on a vacation. Maybe that'll clear my mind. But anyway, I just want to say, be encouraged, stay encouraged. And I just want you guys to know, I feel your pain too. Because even though I'm investing, it requires a lot of brain work. It requires a lot of strategy, and then on top of me doing my own investments, I try to help other people. So sometimes it could be very overwhelming, but I want to just tell you, be encouraged, stay encouraged, and just take one day at a time. Take a step to do a little thing towards your goal. Happy investing, you guys.